Meeting today at the Castle in the Clouds, council members wrestled with the case of the convicted killer who murdered his fiancée when she tried to end their relationship back in 1983.
He went into the kitchen and got the sharpest kitchen knife he could find and stabbed her 7 times in the heart. That's premeditated murder beyond a doubt.
But those who felt Place should be granted a pardon hearing pointed to his insanity defense at trial, where he claimed he suffered from post-traumatic stress disorder sparked by his military service in Vietnam.
Understanding that no one should ever do what he did, that he was not himself when that particular incident happened that particular night.
Councilors Joseph Kenney and Andrew Valinsky felt a hearing was needed, given how much more we know now about PTSD, though they both said they didn't know if they would grant Place a pardon after such a hearing. But those opposed said Place put the PTSD issue before a jury at trial, and they rejected that argument, finding instead this was simply a case of domestic violence.
We've come to understand that people can obviously have significant mental health issues. At the same time, we understand that some people unfortunately exercise control and dominance over their loved ones, and that's really what happened here with the defendant.
Place's lawyers said in a statement they are disappointed with the decision and say he has been a model prisoner. Place is currently serving his sentence at the state prison in Berlin. In Moulton Borough, Andy Hirschberger, WMUR News 9.